everybody, so today I wanted to film my first ever what I eat in a day video. I cannot believe I have never done one of these before. I tend to show quite a lot of what I eat in my weekly vlogs, but today I wanted a video dedicated to that because I think you guys will like it and I love watching these videos too. It's currently a Monday morning, it's like 8:30. I have zero food in the house. I wasn't here much last week and then I was away all weekend, so there is no food in the house. First things first, I need to do a food shop. Normally the first thing I would do to start my day is make a cup of tea, but that's gonna have to wait because I think I need milk as well. I use this Cath Kidston, I don't know what this is called, like a big shopper tote, and this normally fits all of my food shopping, but I also keep another little tote bag inside just in case I go a bit wild on the shop. So I'm gonna go to Tesco now, and I thought I might as well bring you along with me to that as well. Why the hell not? First things first though, it's getting the snow off my car. Woo! Definitely need some coriander. Here we go. So good. My favourite soup is on offer. This one. Pea Mint. Oh my god, it's so good. I could live on that stuff. So I use the Wonderlist app to have my shopping list on, and it's really good because you can tick them away. This isn't sponsored. Oh, brock, yeah. Bread, yeah. Just got back from the shop. I've never been that early on a Monday morning before and they were still putting loads of stuff out, but a lot of what I got is really fresh though, so that's great. I got a super juice with goji berries. I feel like I'm getting a cold and I need some like sort of good vitamins in me, so I'm going to try that. Got some eggs, onion, chicken breast fillets. I really like these ones that come in a pack of 2, so that, because it's obviously only me eating when I cook dinner, it keeps the other one nice and fresh, which I prefer. I also got some of my king prawns that I love. Blueberries and raspberries. Now, I don't think I've ever bought these for myself at home. I think I've had blueberries at home before, but definitely not raspberries. I had the most incredible breakfast at my friend's house at the weekend and I wanted to recreate it here. It's super simple, really easy. So as soon as I put all this away, I'm gonna make it and show you what it is. Oh my god, it's so good. I guess it's more of a weekend breakfast, but I need to pick me up. It's Monday morning, I need something nice. So these are a really nice kind of snack as well, I guess, to throughout the day. Salad, coriander, hummus. I got 2 types of vanilla yogurt. One of them is Alpro, so it's dairy free. The other one is Yeo Valley. I have never had this one before. I have had this and it's delicious, but that is also for breakfast. And obviously this is gonna last me 2 weeks. This doesn't go off till April. Pea mint soup, I might have this for lunch. Sour cream, pointed sweet peppers, some sweet potatoes. I'm gonna have these for dinner tonight, and some broccoli. I got loads of milk. So I got soy milk. I'm currently drinking, let me show you, currently having this Root Health almond drink, but for when that is done, I've got a couple of my favourite soy drinks because they were on offer. And also I finally found this in the shops. This has like been gone in every shop it seems for so long. It's the Oatly oat drink barrister edition, which means it foams up really nicely, and I do like a bit of foam in my tea and coffee, so I cannot wait to try that. I got 2 of them just because I was like, I need to try them properly before they disappear again. I got a big bottle of sparkling water. I've got a craving for sparkling water at the moment, don't know what it is. Small loaf of wheat germ bread, and very naughtily a brioche loaf for my breakfast. Also treated myself to some Coke Zero for the days where I need a little bit of a pick-me-up. So, I mean, this is a bit extravagant, but toasted brioche bread, blueberries, raspberries, vanilla yogurt. I don't like soggy bread. That's why I haven't put everything on top, otherwise I probably would have, and it would have looked a lot prettier. I'm also just going to add the tiniest bit of maple syrup just to make it a little bit luxurious. I mean, this is not healthy. This is not a healthy breakfast. This is the first time I've made this breakfast at home, but it's because I had it the weekend and it was so delicious. I have also made myself a cup of tea. So I'm going to go and take this and eat it on the sofa now. Here we go, here is breakfast. And I'm going to watch a bit of daytime TV whilst I eat this. It is now lunchtime, it's 1:30. Oh, squeaky fridge, 1:30. I normally have quite a big lunch because I work from home and I'm able to cook good food, but because I've had quite a big filling sweet breakfast and because I've got a nice big dinner planned, I'm gonna have just the soup for lunch. I'm gonna have the pea and mint one that I bought earlier. I'm just gonna have half of it and save the other half for tomorrow. Okay, this really is the most boring lunch ever, and I have also just realised that I haven't cooked yet today. I love cooking. Sorry, I'm just trying to pause the TV. Cooking is one of my favourite things ever. It really relaxes me. I love trying new recipes, and I normally do experiment quite a lot week to week on what I eat. So yeah, maybe this wasn't the best day to film on, but I'm going to cook tonight's dinner, even though it's going to be super simple. Pea mint soup. I mean, I don't even want to show you it because it looks so gross. The presentation isn't nice at all, but I've also been drinking some sparkling water as well to keep me hydrated through the day. So yes, I am going to eat this now. It's now 3 o'clock. I'm peckish. I've got that mid-afternoon where I want something to eat. So I'm going to have some of this juice that I showed earlier. So it's the innocent raspberry and cherry super juice, and inside it has goji berries, vitamins. I want the proper ingredients, come on now. Ingredients: 5 pressed apples, 13 crushed white grapes, raspberries, passion fruit, sour cherries, goji berries, beetroot juice, lime, and some vitamins apparently. So I'm going to try this now. It looks like tomato juice. Not bad. Just tastes like a bit of a sweeter cranberry juice with some raspberries in, basically. I'm also going to have one of my favourite snacks. I should have really got some celery earlier. I love celery and hummus, but I didn't walk down that aisle. So instead, I'm just going to have some hummus and sesame seeded breadsticks. I absolutely love these, especially dunked in hummus. Also made myself another cup of tea, so I've got a couple of beverages on the go and some snacks whilst I continue to edit. I also picked up the free magazine from Tesco. I just love getting these magazines because, oh my god, look at that toad in the hole. Yeah, I really love the recipes that come in them. They always look great. I normally go through these whenever I get one and rip out the pages that I like the look of and keep them in a kind of folder. With loads of work. It's been very productive today. It's now 7:15 and I've decided to start making some dinner. For dinner I'm having a meal that I made for the first time like a couple of weeks ago, but it was really nice, really easy to make, but also like kind of healthy and delicious. So I'm going to show you how to make it. Kind of like a sweet potato and like paprika chicken with veg dish. So easy, like it's hardly really even cooking because you're just putting it all together, but it's really nice. So if you would have time, I would recommend baking your sweet potato in the oven, but I'm quite lazy, and so what I do is I heat it up in the microwave for like, oh, I don't know, it depends, 6 minutes sometimes, but I flip it over halfway and that will just get the majority of it cooked, and then I'm going to fry it with the chicken in a bit on the hob. Also stab your sweet potato a few times as well. I've also got a pan of broccoli on the hob in boiling water, and now I'm going to mix my chicken. So I've washed and cut up my chicken. I've also put a little bit of olive oil in there. I need to turn my potato round. And now I'm going to cut up some onion, and I might cut up some peppers as well, and my coriander, and then whilst my chicken cooks. These are the spices that I use on pretty much everything. I'm going to just sprinkle some paprika on the chicken. I've also added some ground coriander and a little bit of barbecue seasoning as well. Broccoli's still on the go. Chopped up some coriander, peppers, and I've got my onion and my salad on my plate. Next step, I like to chop up my sweet potato to make it a bit easier to eat and look more presentable, and then I'm going to add that to the chicken. There we go, and then I can add some more paprika to that as well. Also going to add some garlic. I probably should have done this before I put the potato in. I've also added my broccoli. I don't know why, I just like doing that. It's like a one-pot wonder, this. So now I'm going to dish it up. So this is the finished meal. It looks, I mean, the plate doesn't look big enough. I think I've cooked way too much broccoli, but I'm very much looking forward to this. I am going to add some sour cream, and I've sprinkled it all with coriander. I've also just started watching Sex and the City, so I'm going to put that back on. I've never watched it before, but I need a new series to get into, so I thought, why not? I'm also going to have a Coke Zero. I've also given myself a paper cut from a pair of tongs. I'm so clumsy. Now 9:30. Dinner was lovely, delicious. I am now somehow 4 episodes into Sex and the City, so it's like a ritual of mine to have a mug of peppermint tea before bed. It started out as like a security blanket because basically I've got a phobia. I've spoken about this before on my channel. A phobia of being sick. I started having peppermint tea when my phobia was at its worst, probably like a long time ago now. It's been like a ritual of mine, but now I just really enjoy it. It's like my wind down time when I drink my peppermint tea and read or watch something on Netflix. It's just my thing. So every evening in the winter especially, I boil the kettle to make that and a hot water bottle, and it's just so nice. I also fancy something sweet. I went to a pick mix shop the other day, so I'm gonna have some of these now. I mainly got marshmallow stuff because I love marshmallows. Got like some marshmallow mushrooms, marshmallow ice cream cones. Look how cute that is. This is marshmallow. It's like a flump covered in white chocolate. Oh. And I've also got some of my other faves, shrimps and bubblegum cola bottles. Honestly, I'm not even hungry. I just want something to eat. Don't judge me on this. I'm not one of those perfect girls on YouTube. I'm keeping it real. I like sweets. I'm just going to have a couple of them and then I'm going to go to bed. But I really hope you've enjoyed my first ever what I eat in a day video. I would absolutely love it if you could subscribe to my channel. It would mean the world. And also let me know if you liked this video and I can get on doing some more of them. Perhaps I'll do like a day out, like what I eat in a day out, and then I could do like what I eat on a low calorie day, because sometimes I do those. Eat in a day where I cook properly every meal. Let me know. I would definitely get on those. Lots of love. Mwah.